Hi there, in this video, I'll go through with you the funnel interface dashboard that you have whenever you add a new funnel or add a new template in your funnel. So on the top here, this navigation, this blue bar over here, you can see your funnel URL, and you can copy the URL, and also you can visit the link in another new page. You also have the funnel contacts and also the funnel settings. Now in your funnel, it is preloaded with the funnel steps, and in this case, for an opt-in funnel, it's a two-step funnel, which is an opt-in and a thank you. Also notice that under your opt-in there is no icon, which means that this step already has a template selected. A funnel step which does not have a template has this icon over here. So on top is the funnel name, and at the bottom is the funnel type. And in this case, this is the opt-in and this is the thank you page. And the funnel steps flow from top to bottom. You can also add a new step if you click this button. You can also add a new funnel step, change the name, and choose whether you want to show it in the funnel or not. You can also select a custom domain and a custom path. In your funnel step, you can also change the order of the steps. So for example, I would want this step to appear after the thank you page. Then I can just drag it and drop it over here. There will be a pop-up saying changing the funnel order will reset the funnel stats and it won't make sense anymore. For this example, I just want to show you that you can drag the steps around, so I'm going to click OK. Now it's important to note that the steps of your funnel order need to make sense, otherwise it won't work and you won't get the results you want. So in this case, it doesn't make sense for you to have a thank you page before you have an opt-in page. So let's drag it back to the top and click OK. And now it makes sense where your visitors will give you their email name and exchange for a download, and then after they are sent, the thank you page comes up. The main tab on the top, there are three tabs. One is the overview, automation, and publishing. In the overview, you can see the main stats, which are your visitors, number of contacts, and your contacts conversion rate. Under automation, you can set new actions whereby you can set a new email or a new SMS whenever there is a new engagement on your opt-in page. So for example, if you click on Add New Email, assuming that you've set up your SMTP configuration correctly, you'll be able to access this option and you can send an email whenever the download happens, or whenever your visitors have provided their name and email address, they'll receive an email on their downloadable content. So in this example, you can put in your name, the subject, and also select the SMTP configuration, which is from an autoresponder, and also set the condition, which is when to trigger the sending of the email. And under this section here, under HTML body, is the email that you can type in. So for example, it would be, "Hey there, thank you for signing up. Here is your ebook." And once you're done customizing this with images and text and also the formatting, you just click on Create Email. In publishing, you can rename the funnel step name, select the domain, and also rename the path. You can also get Click Pop Code, get Click Opt-in link, put a WordPress plugin, connect the opt-in page to Facebook, download the HTML, and host it anywhere else, and also embed a code. Once you're done and all of this configuration, and when you are satisfied, you can just click Update Funnel Step. In this section here is your opt-in URL. Your opt-in URL is different from the main URL because this would enable split testing. When you use split testing, you can review the stats from the last 7 days, last 30 days, last 2 months, this year, or all the time. And if you go further down, you will see the main control where you have a preview of the template that you have chosen with a stats summary of your visitors, conversion, and contacts, and you can also do a split test. Split testing is where you want to test out certain stuff like different headlines, different images, or offers. This is the option where you can do the split testing up to 2 split tests. So if you want to do a split test, just click on Create Variation, and then you can select Duplicate from Opt-in, exactly as how you created it, and just change the headline, or you can create from an entirely new template. In this section here, you can also click on Edit Page on your template. You can preview the split test version, and if you click this gear, You can also edit page settings. In this pop-up, you can name the page, you can select the domain, and you can also rename the path. Once you are satisfied with the customization and you are done, you can click on Update Page. If you would like to select a new template, you can always click on this button, Delete Page Variation, and what it does is that it deletes the page and you are then able to select a new template. Do note that when you select this option, all your changes and the work that you have done customizing the template would be lost. If you scroll further down, you have 3 more options. The first one is you can delete the funnel step, or you can also clone the funnel step. So depending on what you've planned out for your sales funnel or the funnel that you have created, these are your 2 options, either to delete or to clone the funnel step. You can also remove from funnel, and that means that this page or this funnel will be removed from the whole funnel order and it will be placed below the funnel order. And there you have it. This is the overview of the funnel dashboard and interface that we have whenever you have added a template or you have created a sales funnel.